This Century 21 The Real Estate Center property video is presented by Gary Hoffer. 3 levels of living space in this spacious all-brick duplex. Off-street parking and 1-car garage in rear. Covered front porch and rear porch. Open floor plan on main level with hardwood floors in LR and DR. Upper level has 3 bedrooms and full bath. Lower level has family room with fireplace, laundry area and full bath. Utility area storage space with walk upstairs to rear yard. Agent's view docs and agent remarks for contract details. Opens to investors 12.2. For more information, review the details below.